Alright, so here we are approaching Steve once again, and that is Steve to our right there. Steve is this first truck right here, the Swift truck that we just got to. This is actually another special memory of when I chased Steve October of 2024, and that first clip you just saw there was in Winston-Salem, and that was on Peters Creek Road. He actually ended up on, that was a road that he wasn't originally gonna be on, but he actually ended up on that road because he had to get turned around because he had missed the turn, because he was coming up Interstate 74 from the High Point direction into Winston-Salem, and then he was gonna connect on Interstate 40 in Winston-Salem up to Highway 52, which is the road we're on now. And that is Steve to our right there. This is on US 52 between Winston-Salem and Mount Airy, and we had, that first clip you saw was where we had just caught up to Steve. We actually reached the route that Steve was on when we reached High Point, but we didn't actually catch up to him until we got to Winston-Salem, and him missing his turn actually helped us to catch up to him. So that was actually good that he missed the turn, but now we're on, now this is US 52. We're just coming into Mount Airy now, and we're gonna follow him across Interstate 74 westbound, which connects over to Interstate 77, and then we get on Interstate 77 northbound up to Virginia, and once we get on 77, the first thing, there's a way station, and then there's a rest area, which is the Virginia Welcome Center, and then right after that Virginia Welcome Center is another Love's, and that was also one of Steve's favorite Love's to stop at, because he stopped at that Love's quite a bit. That's in Lambsburg, Virginia, and Steve has stopped at that Lambsburg Love's several times on his trips through the area, although he actually has also started going to a new Love's in Rural Hall as well, in Winston-Salem, that he actually didn't know about on this trip, because we were actually wondering, because Steve had actually mentioned while we were still in downtown Winston-Salem that it was about time for him to get some coffee. So we were wondering, because the Love's in Rural Hall was coming up, so we were wondering if he was gonna stop at the Rural Hall Love's, but he didn't stop there, I guess because he didn't know about it, because that one is kind of an interesting one, because that one, like I said, it was a new Love's, and it's also hidden behind some trees, and they don't have any signs for it. So that's probably why he didn't know about that one, so he stopped at his favorite Love's in Lambsburg, Virginia, and like I said, he stopped there several times, and he also was originally just planning on getting coffee there, but then ends up getting behind somebody taking his 30-minute break in the fuel island, which Steve hadn't planned on taking his 30-minute break in the fuel island, because when Steve's gonna actually take his 30-minute break, he would always park in a parking spot, just like he would if he was gonna spend the night. And he always tries to, he would always try to reserve the fuel island for those that are just stopping in just for coffee or fuel. that somebody took his 30-minute break in the fuel island in front of Steve.
TJ Elevator Fan, how you doing? TJ Elevator Fan, how you doing? And one of the highlights of our life was meeting Mr. TJ Elevator Fan. How you doing, buddy? Hey, TJ Elevator Man. Good to see you.
Hi, I am TJ Elevator Fan, and I watch Bigwig Travels from Charlotte, North Carolina. Yep, so now you're passing him.
Maybe want to just wave at him. Okay, wave at him. Keep waving.
Alrighty. TJ Elevator Fan, they've met us a lot. Well, that worked out okay. We got a 30-minute break. We got to see TJ Elevator Fan. We got our coffee. We got our half-hour break out of the way. We're good.